Hi friends, welcome to Premsoft Technical Channel. In the C language series, today we are going to see the program number 65. In the last lecture, we have seen about the functions. Now today we are going to start with a new topic, that is pointers. So first of all, what is pointer? As you know, pointer is what? Pointer is used to store the address of another variable. Pointer is used to store address of another variable. Now what is the meaning of this one? Guys, you have seen when we declare the integer a, many time we are writing what? Every time when we are reading the value, we are writing what? Address of a. So that concept today I am going to explain in detail. Suppose example, I have written integer a. So when we read the value, we write what? Address of a. What is the meaning of this one? In the memory, what happens is, when you create, this is suppose memory, you have created a. So it will give you one memory location of 2 byte if you are using Turbo C, and 4 byte if you are using ID. Now inside it will give one number that is called what? Suppose example, I am giving 111 example. You can we cannot expect, it depends on the memory. So this is what one number has given. That number is we call the address in C language. So this address of a is what? 4 times 1. So when we write address of a here, it means what? It is storing the location 1111, the value which we are reading, and it is storing the address of a. Address of is nothing but 4 times 1. It is storing the value inside. Suppose example, if we read 10, it will store the 10 here. So what is the pointer concept? Pointer will store, or pointer can hold the address of another variable. So how? We will see with one example. Suppose I am writing a program for that one. I will take here stdio.h, and I need the two header file conio.h. I have taken what? Two header files. Now here I will take void main, and I will take the two variables. One is called the integer a, and second I will take the pointer variable. Guys, pointer variable, whenever you are mentioning, you have to take asterisk symbol with the variable name. Nothing but star p I have given. Now printf, I am reading the value, or otherwise I will do one thing. I will just assign 10 to this variable. Okay, I have assigned 10. Now I told you we can store the address of a into what? P. Nothing but what? Pointer variable can store the address of another variable. Here another variable is a. I am storing the address of a into p, guys. Now just I will print the value of p. I will do one thing. First I will print the a is equals to %d. Nothing but what is the value in a, it will print on the screen. Then I will do what? What is the value inside the p? Or also I can print like this also. Address of a is equals to %d. Nothing but what is the address it is there in the a, we will see first. So I will print here address of a. Then I will print the value of p. Nothing but value of p, as we know, p, in the p what we are storing, guys? Address of a. Nothing but whatever the address of a will be there, it will store into p. So here I will print the p value. So first we'll see the output for this one, and then we'll move further, compile the program. I will take ptr.c, nothing but pointer1.c, and then execute. Now see, a value what we have given 10, address of a is 6487620. We do not bother about this one. Whatever the address is there, same address of a we are stored into p. So that's why it is showing both the values same. Now why we need this one, guys? Suppose example, whenever I don't want to show actual value what is there into the a, so I will store into that address of p. Now suppose I want to see, now what I want to see on the screen, what is actual value in the pointer variable. So how to see that one? I will give that what? Star p. Nothing but, sorry, I will give what? I will print the value star p. Star p is nothing but pointer value what I have given. So in the p what is there? Suppose that value here, as per this one, what is the value of pointer variable? I will just imagine 620 is the value of p. Now inside p what is there? I want to see, means you have to print star p. What the star p will give you? Actual value what is stored in the your p variable. So what is actual value is 10. Now how it is there, I will show you with the diagram also. Now see, guys, how it is working. Suppose you have taken here p. Okay, you have taken one variable called the a, and second we call the pointer variable p, star p. So what is happening inside the memory, it is creating one block on the name of a, that value is 10 and that address is 620, I will assume guys, because very long address is there, 620. Now inside p what we are storing, address of a. What is the address of a here? 620. So that value will go to what? P variable. When we are printing the p, it is showing what? 620 only, because whatever the address of a is there, it will store. But now I want to store the actual value of p, so we have to write star p. First it will take the p value. What is p value? 620. Then it will apply 6 star on that 620. What is the actual value of 620? It will check. Then it will go here and it will check 10 is the actual value, nothing but 620 is here. Now here it will check what is the actual, star is nothing but actual value of this one. So like this it will print what? 10. So like this it will give you the pointer variable value. This is what pointer, only one variable it will give. So pointer, we used to store the pointer for one address of another variable. I hope guys you have cleared your pointer concept. We'll see more pointer concept in the next video. Thank you for watching this video guys.